All right, it is a Sunday, about midday. I'm out for a walk on the Catskill rail trail. So nice flat trail here. We won't call it a hike, we'll call it a walk. Got Miss Bailey with me. And we're gonna try to do about 6 to 8 miles, something like that. I started out in Stamford, New York, and I'm gonna walk down to Hobart and back, maybe. Not sure how far it is, so when I get to about 3 or 4 miles, I'm gonna turn around. Depending on how I feel. But it's pretty flat terrain, so it's a gorgeous day out. Beautiful. A little bit windy, but other than that, it's right in the 50s and no rain. Got a little bit of overcast, not much, a little bit of hazy layer of overcast, but it is gorgeous out. Yeah, so the Catskill Scenic Trail, it's a rail trail, so it's pretty flat, pretty wide open. Just kind of moving through farmland down here. So far so good, nice easy walk. Alright, so we're 2¼ miles into our walk. We stopped to take a little break, get a little drink of water. They got little benches along the side here, along the side of the rail trail. It was pretty nice. Pretty nice. What do you think, Bailey? Should we get moving again? Yeah, we should. All right, you ready? Let's go. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but look at all them pumpkins still out in the field there. Yeah, that's one of those woolly caterpillars. And if you believe the old farmer's tales, the color of the, I don't know if it's fur or whatever's on them things that makes up their color, That one had black in the front, not very much, and then mostly brown and then black at the back. So that kind of means it's going to be a mild winter if you go by the old farmer's tales, which actually the Weather Channel has predicted it's going to be a little bit milder than normal. That doesn't mean it's going to be warm by any means. And actually when we get milder winters, we usually end up getting more snow. Because usually the colder it is, the less it snows. You know, it looks like we're just going across an old railroad trestle here. Yeah, so we made it down to Hobart. That's Hobart in the background behind me. Little town here. And I don't know, I can hear it. I can hear there's a plant up here that makes pharmaceuticals. It's about the only thing here. And we're almost there, so definitely made it all the way into Hobart. Alright guys, we are officially in the center of Hobart here. And right behind me here is a pharmaceutical plant, and then across the street over there is a firehouse. But yeah, so if you've ever taken a like a painkiller that the dentist gave you, like I guess they call it Tylenol with codeine, this is the generic brand here. So we're going to turn around here. Let's see, we have come 3.57 miles, so we're going to turn around and walk back to the car. It says on the sign here, let's see, you are here. So we're in Hobart. We started up here in Stamford. So actually this trail runs all the way from Bloomville up to Hobart, through Stamford, all the way over here to Grand Gorge, and then down to Roxbury, New York. So I think altogether, if you walk the whole trail one way, I think it's like 24 miles or something like that. I'm trying to see if it says on here what the mileage is. It doesn't really say. It says ATVs are not allowed on this trail. Actually, one just passed me a minute ago. Anyway, we're going to start heading back. We're going to go back to one of the benches and get another drink of water. Come on, Bailey, let's go. Let's head home. Yeah, there's a bench down past the railroad bridge that we went over, and we'll stop there and get another drink of water. Sure Bailey wants one by now. Nice walk so far. Very nice. A little bit of a change from the hike, with a lot easier without any elevation. So we're going to end up doing the whole walk in just a couple hours. 7 miles of hiking over mountains takes all day. This is not. Yeah, these kind of look like the old rail bed timbers laying here on the side. Hey, it's been a lot of years since this has been a railway down through here. Long time. Yeah, just going by where they were burning that stuff earlier. Fire's died down quite a bit. It's just kind of smoking now. All right, let's go. Here she comes. Hey, girl. Yeah, I think Bailey's a little scared of them cows. Well, she ain't never seen a cow before. They're awful big compared to her, I guess. What you see out there, Bailey? You see some cows? Yeah. We got an ATV coming. Come here, Bailey. Come on. Come here. Sit. Good girl. All right, so we are back into the town of Stamford, New York here. We got about a quarter mile to go. We'll be back at the pickup. Right now we're at 6.7 miles for our walk. It's been a nice walk. Nice easy walk. Long but easy. Pretty nice. Guy there's got a bunch of firewood there from winter. Ready to go. Yeah, that would be probably an old warehouse where trains used to unload here. Of course, this was wide enough here for a set of double tracks. Not in too good a shape now, is it? Yeah, you can see the old, those old block glass windows with rocks in them. Of course, kids throwing rocks in them, I guess. And there's your sliding door up high off the ground to unload train cars. Yeah, that was a depot or a warehouse here, and we're coming up to where the pickup is parked, and that's the old train station. All right, so we're back to the pickup, and this is the old railroad station here in Stamford, New York, where the train tracks used to be. And we're done with our walk. Come here, Bailey. Oh, big girl. That's a big girl, yeah. Yeah, that was a good walk, huh? Let's see, we got a little bit of water left. You want a drink? You want a drink of water? There you go. Alright, looks like we're going to have about a 7 1/4 miles. Let's see, it's saving on the watch. Yeah. 7.23 miles. 3 hours and 7 minutes. Nice. We did good. That was a pretty nice walk. What do you say, Bailey? We go home and cook something on the barbecue. Sound good? Yeah? Alright. Alright, guys. That's the end of the walk. Hope you enjoyed it. Everybody take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.